You've been dreaming about financial freedom. So, what's your next move? This checklist was designed with you in mind. Are you ready to take control of your money and future? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over the wealth building checklist for beginners. If you're just starting your financial journey, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore essential strategies that can set you on the path to financial independence. We'll cover practical tips on budgeting, saving, investing, and even the importance of building credit. Understanding these concepts is crucial as financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions that can significantly impact your future. Wealth building isn't just for the wealthy, it's a skill that anyone can learn, and starting early can make a world of difference. So, whether you're looking to save for a big purchase or planning for retirement, this checklist will provide you with the foundational knowledge you need. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to building your wealth. Understanding wealth building. Wealth building is the process of accumulating assets and resources over time to achieve financial independence. It goes beyond simply earning money. It involves strategic planning, disciplined saving, and smart investing. The significance of wealth building lies in its ability to provide security and freedom, allowing you to pursue your dreams without financial constraints. To successfully accumulate wealth, a growth mindset is essential. This means being open to learning, adapting, and taking calculated risks. Embracing this mindset can help you overcome challenges and seize opportunities. Additionally, starting early in your wealth building journey can yield substantial long-term benefits. The power of compound interest means that even small contributions can grow significantly over time. By prioritizing wealth building now, you're setting the stage for a more secure and prosperous future. Remember, every step you take today can lead to greater financial freedom tomorrow. Setting financial goals. Setting achievable financial goals is a crucial step in your wealth building journey. Start by identifying both short-term and long-term objectives. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card, while long-term goals could involve buying a home or planning for retirement. To ensure your goals are effective, use the SMART criteria. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," specify, "I will save $5,000 for a down payment in 2 years." Additionally, tracking your progress is vital. Regularly reviewing your goals helps you stay motivated and make necessary adjustments along the way. Celebrate small milestones to keep your momentum going. By setting clear, achievable financial goals and monitoring your progress, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial success and independence. Budgeting basics. Understanding the fundamentals of budgeting is essential for effective wealth building. A budget acts as a financial roadmap, helping you manage your expenses and ensuring that you live within your means. By creating a budget, you can identify where your money is going and make informed decisions about your spending. Start by tracking your income and expenditures. Use apps or spreadsheets to categorize your expenses and monitor your cash flow. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Additionally, budgeting plays a crucial role in saving for investments. By allocating a portion of your income towards savings, you can build a fund that allows you to invest in opportunities that will grow your wealth over time. Remember, a well-structured budget not only helps you control your finances, but also paves the way for a more secure financial future. Saving strategies. Effective saving strategies are essential for beginners looking to build wealth. One of the first steps is to establish an emergency fund, which serves as a financial safety net for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Having this fund can prevent you from going into debt during emergencies. To make saving easier, consider automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month, so you're consistently putting money aside without even thinking about it. This effortless approach helps you build your savings over time. Additionally, explore high-yield savings accounts that offer better interest rates than traditional accounts. These accounts can help your money grow faster, making your savings work harder for you. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and securing your future. Investing fundamentals. Understanding the basics of investing is crucial for effective wealth building. Investing involves allocating your money into various assets with the expectation of generating a return over time. Common types of investments include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while bonds are loans made to corporations or governments that pay interest over time. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can reduce risk and enhance potential returns. Additionally, starting to invest early is one of the best strategies for building wealth. The power of compound interest means that the earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. By understanding these fundamentals and taking action, you can set yourself on a path toward financial success and security. Debt management. Managing and reducing debt is vital for maintaining financial health and building wealth. High levels of debt can hinder your ability to save and invest, ultimately impacting your financial future. To tackle debt effectively, start by prioritizing your obligations. List your debts from highest to lowest interest rates and focus on paying off high interest debts first while making minimum payments on others. This strategy, known as the avalanche method, can save you money and interest over time. Alternatively, the snowball method involves paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Additionally, be cautious about accumulating high interest debts such as credit card balances, which can quickly spiral out of control. Avoiding credit pitfalls like late payments and unnecessary loans is essential for maintaining a healthy financial profile. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your debt and pave the way for a more secure financial future. Building passive income. Creating passive income streams is a powerful way to enhance your financial freedom. Passive income refers to earnings that require minimal effort to maintain, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. Common sources include rental income from real estate, dividends from stocks, and royalties from creative works like books or music. These income streams can provide financial stability and help you achieve your wealth building goals. The benefits of passive income are significant. It can supplement your primary income, reduce reliance on a traditional job, and create opportunities for early retirement. To get started, encourage viewers to research various passive income opportunities that align with their interests and skills. Whether it's investing in real estate, starting a blog, or creating an online course, there are numerous avenues to explore. By diversifying your income sources, you can build a more secure financial future and enjoy greater freedom in your life. In conclusion, we've covered essential strategies for building wealth, emphasizing the importance of following a comprehensive wealth building checklist. From setting clear financial goals and creating a budget to exploring saving strategies and understanding investing fundamentals, each step plays a crucial role in your financial journey. Remember, managing debt effectively and building passive income streams can significantly enhance your financial health and freedom. Now it's time to take actionable steps towards your financial goals. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts compound over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who could benefit from these financial tips. Together, we can empower each other to achieve financial success and security. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care